Hi, I'm Rob with Recovery Supply USA, and we are here to show recovery straps. We're here to show the winch on the UTV, which we have synthetic rope for, and we're going to unstick the spool from the snow and the ice. We're going to pretend that it's a UTV, an ATV, snowmobile, tree, whatever you need to pull. So I'm already hooked up with our strap. The strap is cinched around there. Well, all that's left to do is pull. So now that we're unstuck, you were able to get our strap from Recovery Supply. We have our synthetic cable on our winch that we can also supply you. Hopefully this video has helped you out. I'm Rob with Recovery Supply USA, and we got you recovered.